Welcome. If you want to adjust quick chat commands in the League of Legends Wild Rift, at the first you have to go for the settings, next move to the quick chat, and as you can see here we got 8 in-game messages that we can send very fast, so we can take it off. They are default, so we can adjust our best. So I think very important is to use the don't engage, so click here. Let's go for do not fight on split pushing. It's also very good. I think that we can also add enemy missing, because when your opponent leave the lane, it's very good to tell your teammates that you know, he can just make a gang or something like that. I think that also it's very useful to use the stop chasing, and we can go for the fight. So we can go for junglers. It will be very good to get I'm ganking a top lane, bottom lane, mid lane. You know, there are just messages for the junglers, right? So they are really worth to get it. But if you are playing on the lane, we can just take it off, and we can move with the let's invade an enemy jungler, right? And we can go also for the ask. So can I take a buff? Come take a buff if you want to share the buff with teammate. And let's turn on the voice chat, and we can save the settings by tapping here. And here we got the 8 messages that we set up, and we can quick send them into the game. So I think it's very good to set up whatever you want, and there's the 8 messages that I can recommend you. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.